I am Antti Hätinen of PHZ Full Stack. Today we will talk how to use Secure File Transfer Protocol or SFTP, and how to connect to a server. Our hosting company has set up credentials that we use to connect to the server. We want to download and upload files from and to the server. On Windows, you can download FileZilla SFTP client from www.filezillaproject.org. It's a fairly easy to use program. The greatest magic to use SFTP is to add SFTP:// in front of your host name. Otherwise, a non-encrypted file transfer protocol is used. The tooltip shows that you can use multiple file transfer protocols with FileZilla. FTPS is an extension of FTP protocol that works on SSL and TLS protocols, which are most commonly known from HTTPS web traffic. SFTP, on the other hand, is a file transfer protocol that works over Secure Shell Protocol SSH. Thereafter we add the server name, username and password. It's important to pay close attention how the password has been written. The best practice is to copy and paste the password from the original source, for example to avoid mixing letters O and 0, or AL and 1, which look pretty similar. Next, the SSH protocol asks us to approve SSH fingerprint. You can click the checkbox to always trust this host. If the fingerprint changes thereafter, the client will alarm you of the risk of a man-in-the-middle attack. Now we got the error of writing the password incorrectly by hand. The problem was that I had mixed the letters O and 0 with each other. And now we are connected to the server. And here we have the files that we want to download. Next we can drag and drop the files from the server to the upload directory. A nice feature of FileZilla is that it can resume the downloads if they are interrupted for any reason. Thank you for watching this video, and please join the PHZ Full Stack channel.